In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix real-time protection not turning on inside of Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if real-time protection won't turn on, it usually is caused by another antivirus. So you want to go ahead and disabled services or group policy settings. So basically what we need to do is remove any third-party antiviruses. So if you have any viruses like McAfee, Norton 360, Avast, etc. installed, Windows Security will disable real-time protection. Now to fix this, what we want to do is click on our Windows key on our keyboard and then click I. Then from here we want to go to apps. So the apps tab on the left hand side. To the right, go ahead and click on installed tabs, and then basically uninstall any third-party antivirus that's inside of here and then restart your PC. Then once you've restarted your PC, we need to go ahead and restart the Microsoft Defender service. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and click onto R. Then from here, a little run prompt is going to be open like so, and then we need to type in services.msc and then click OK. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to go ahead and find Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service. So make sure startup type is automatic, and then go ahead and click on apply and then OK. Restart your PC and check again.